Have you ever seen an English headline like, Fed hints at possible rate hike pause, and thought, wait, what does that actually mean? Or this one, markets rally as inflation eases. The words look simple, but the meaning? Completely different if you don't understand the hidden logic of news English. Today, I'll teach you how to analyze economic headlines in real time to instantly understand what they mean and sound smart when you talk about them. Welcome back to English with Bruce, where we make complex business English simple, smart, and global. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss your weekly business fluency boost. Today's lesson, understanding economic headlines. Step 1, identify the action word, verb focus. Headlines often drop verbs like is or are. You must mentally add them back. Examples, Fed hints at rate hike pause means the Fed is hinting at a possible pause. Inflation cools in September means inflation is cooling down in September. Step 2, look for direction words. These show whether the direction is positive or negative. Common direction words, rises, fall, surges, dips, strengthens, weakens, rebounds, plunges. Examples, oil price surge as demand rebounds in China. Yen weakens against the dollar as the stock market rises. Step 3, understand the cause-effect link. Headlines often use short connectors such as, after, or amid. Example, stocks fell as inflation rises. Because inflation went up, investors sold stocks. The word as in this sentence means because or while. It connects two events and shows a cause and effect relationship. The cause is inflation rising. The effect is stock prices are falling. Step 4, decode financial jargon quickly. Common headline terms. Fed means the US central bank. Yield means bond interest rate. Inflation cools, meaning prices rise more slowly. Recession fears mean concern about an economic slowdown. Examples, inflation cools to 3% means price growth is slowing. Recession fears grow means people worry the economy might shrink. Step 5, simplify the headline into everyday English. Examples, Fed signals caution after rate hikes means the central bank will slow down future increases. Markets rally on strong jobs data means stock prices are going up because the job numbers were good. Step 6, recognize tone and bias. News language can suggest optimism or fear. Examples, economy faces headwinds, negative tone. Signs of stabilization emerge, positive tone. Step 7, react professionally in conversation. When someone quotes a headline, use natural responses, patterns. That's interesting. It might signal reason. The market is reacting to reason. Use the patterns like this. That's interesting. It might signal a shift in monetary policy. The market is reacting to lower inflation expectations. Step 8, practice with real headlines, live drill. Read this aloud and interpret. US inflation eases, raising hopes for soft landing. What does this mean? This means that inflation is slowing and people hope the economy can cool without a recession. Second example, stocks drop amid geopolitical tensions. What does this mean? This means that stock prices fell because investors are nervous about global risks. Mini recap. When you read any economic headline, remember these 3 questions. 1, what happened? Verb. 2, why did it happen? Cause. 3, what does it mean? Impact. If you can answer those instantly, you're fluent in business English, not just vocabulary. If this lesson helped you decode real economic headlines, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Next Wednesday, we'll go even further. How to present your own market summary like a TV analyst. This is English with Bruce, helping you sound global, informed, and sharp every week. See you this Sunday.